Hey guys, welcome. This is how to clear search history on iPhone. So guys, if you want to do this process, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your phone. Now, here on the settings, you could just simply scroll down and go for the apps at the very bottom, and you will have an option over here, Safari. So go ahead and go to your Safari or the browser that you are currently using. Now, if you scroll down, you should be able to see here clear history, as you can see over here. So tap on clear history and website data, and you will have an option over here to clear a specific time frame, whether it's last hour, today and yesterday, or all of the history. And you will have an option as well, close all tabs, and you could just simply select clear history, and you should be able to clear it. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.